Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, I've got a product that promises to nurture and revive one of the most overlooked areas of our beauty routine, our nails and cuticles. If you've been struggling with dry, damaged, or flaky nails, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's take a closer look at the Margaret London Nourishing Nail and Cuticle Serum Pen, a premium 15mm treatment designed to restore, hydrate, and strengthen nails and cuticles. The serum pen claims to rejuvenate nails that are showing signs of wear, whether it's from environmental damage, illness, or medical treatments. This formula is specifically designed to hydrate, protect, and promote healthy growth. But how does it stack up in real life? I've put it through its paces to find out. Right off the bat, I was impressed with the easy-to-use pen format. It's sleek, portable, and perfect for on-the-go application. The pen features a precise brush tip that lets you apply the serum directly to the nail and cuticle area, ensuring that every drop goes where it's needed most. It's quick and convenient, which is exactly what you need when you're treating delicate areas like your nails. Now let's talk about the texture and feel of the serum. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs almost immediately, which I appreciated. Some nail treatments can feel heavy or sticky, but this one sinks right into the skin without leaving a residue. My cuticles felt softer, and my nails didn't feel weighed down or slick. It was a pleasant experience, and it didn't interfere with my daily routine, which is crucial for a product like this. Over the course of about 2 weeks, I started to notice visible results. My nails felt stronger, and the dry patches along my cuticles were significantly reduced. The serum does what it promises, hydrating and strengthening nails. There was a slight improvement in the appearance of my nails as well. They look smoother and healthier overall. Now, for the pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages of this serum is how quickly it absorbs and the fact that it doesn't leave your nails feeling greasy. The pen design is also a big plus. It's portable, precise, and hygienic. Another major benefit is that it doesn't have a heavy scent, which can sometimes be a deal breaker for some people, especially if they're sensitive to fragrances. On the downside, the 15mm size might not be enough for long-term use, especially if you're applying it multiple times a day. Also, while the results are visible, they are gradual, so you may need to be patient. If you're looking for instant transformation, this isn't it. That said, the results are more sustainable and healthy over time. In terms of value for money, this serum is on the higher end of the price spectrum, but I do think it's justified given the quality of the ingredients. It's designed to target more serious nail issues, so if you've been struggling with damaged nails due to illness or treatments, this product could be worth the investment. It's an excellent solution for those who want to maintain healthy nails without turning to heavy-duty treatments or harsh chemicals. If the price is a bit of a stretch for your budget, there are other nail and cuticle oils out there, but many lack the effectiveness that this one brings. I'd recommend looking into other premium nail treatments, but in my opinion, none have quite the same balance of nourishment and hydration. When it comes to build quality, the pen itself is solid and functional. It's well designed to prevent messes, and the twist-up pen is smooth and easy to use. The serum is stored securely inside, and there's no risk of leaking or wastage, making it ideal for travel. I haven't had any direct interaction with customer service yet, but Margaret London is known for providing quality skincare and beauty products, and I've read good things about their responsiveness if you need support. So, who would benefit most from this product? If you're someone who has suffered from nail damage due to illness or medical treatments, or if you just struggle with dry, brittle nails, this serum is a great solution. It delivers visible results without complicated regimens or heavy-handed formulas. It's all about nourishing your nails and cuticles, giving them the attention they deserve. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used the Margaret Nourishing Nail and Cuticle Serum Pen, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.